ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವ ಬಣ್ಣನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಬಣ್ಣದ ನಾಯಕನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು 140 MLAಗಳಿಗೂ ಶಾಸಕ, ಇದು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ. ನನಗೆ 140 ಜನನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಗುಂಪು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಲಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಬ್ಲಡ್. ಆಲ್ 140 MLAs are my MLAs. Honorable Chief Minister decided he will reshuffle the government. He will reshuffle the government and cabinet. So all of them are interested that they wanted to become ministers. It is quite natural they will go and meet the leaders of the Delhi. It is quite natural they will go out of the Delhi to meet leaders in the Delhi. Apart from that, what I can say, they have every right. I have not taken anyone. Some of them went and met Kharge Sahab. Along with Chief Minister also they went in the plane, some of them. What is wrong? They are going, it is there like whether no one has called them, but voluntarily they are going and showing their faces. They wanted to show their presence that they are in the forefront and they can do work and they want responsibility. All 140 members are eligible to become minister, chief minister, everything they can become. Now no question is there. Honorable Chief Minister is there. He said that he will come to complete 5 years. I wish him all the best. We will all work with him.
ಸರ್ ಯಾರೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮಾತು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಆಡಿದ ಮಾತು
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ನಮ್ಮ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ವಿಚಾರಧಾರೆನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನುಂಟು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಉಂಟು, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬದ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, all are eligible to go and meet their leaders. You can't stop them. You can't tell them no, because so many are going with ministers. Some of them are going with chief minister. Who stopped them? No one has stopped them. No one has commended them.
ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರಮ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸರ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ. ಅವರು ಕೆಲವರು ಶಾಸಕರು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ವಾಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೇ?
I don't know what dinner, what is that, I don't know. I am not aware of the dinner. Dinner is going on. They wanted to make a new PCC president, 4-5 deputy CMs. All meetings are going on. Last 2.5 years, it is nothing new. Let them make more meetings.